Hi, one and all. It's Herndon, Virginia. Herndon Social Dancers, and you know, Herndon girl.
It's me.
It's Laura. Her and I are going to show you and share with you what we taught for our twice a month West Coast class here in the Senior Center. Now, haven't taught this before. Here, two different moves led the same way and they end two different ways. Starts with her left, my right. And it starts out as a whip for the ladies, okay? So you're going to let go of her right hand at the end of the sugar. She's going to do 1, 2, turning to her left and do her 3 and 4. So she's going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm going to raise my right hand. We'll go front to back here. I'm going to go over her head and turn her left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull her forward onto her right foot. Now the key to that is, though, what I'm going to do with my left hand, I need to catch her forearm. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm catching it, and I'm also pulling her forward onto her right foot. Now you can do this move when you're stronger at it with just one hand, but I found that when I'm first doing it with someone and they're not used to it, take the other hand. So while she's doing her footwork, guys, you're going to count it as a regular whip, come around to her other side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm off the track to her right. And again, just like a regular whip, my weight's on my left and her weight's on her right. So going this way, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I pull her through, make her walk. 5, 6, and then she does her anchor. It's just a basic whip, but with a forearm lead. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull, turn, and send her back to where she started, okay? Very basic, very easy, but it's pretty cool. A lot of ladies probably aren't used to that type of follow or lead, so hope you like it. Here's a little quicker. Beginning over. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we're going to do it again, but with a different way to get out of it. So same beginning for her, same beginning for me to 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make her turn 5, 6, 5, 6. But as she's turning, let go of her left, pick up her right. 7 and 8. It's probably she's not going to realize it until you've already changed hands. So let's do it again with sugar. Sugar push. 3 and 4. 5 and 6. Up and over. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6. And I'm going to right to right. We'll go this way so you can see how I'm a little bit off the track for her. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right? And let's just finish it. We'll go this way, do the whole thing again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So in a right to right, there's a lot of things you can do on the end of a right to right. So let's just go front to back here. We'll go this way. And I'm going to make her walk forward. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So again, we'll turn right, just repeat that. Let's go this way. So make her walk 1, 2, and then release her right hand, lift it up and get out of the way. 1, 2. Take her left into your left and turn her. Triple and triple. Guys, stay off the track so she can complete the movement. So this whole new move with the ending with a little turn, okay? Catch your forearm. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Now the last part, let's just do the first move again. Without the turn, okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the key to this is, now I know your left hand guys are going to be kind of awkward on her forearm, but when you come through, I find that this helps her do the turn, at least when you first begin. So let's just go this way so you can see that turn. I come through, and I lift, and I separate. It's a smooth move, it's a pretty move.
Latex bra.
There you go.
Lift and separate.
I'm not saying that, I'm not going there, but thank you, my dear. Hope you like it, guys. Remember to click like for us. We would appreciate it. And remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so as well. But until next time, thank you so much for watching. And as always, keep dancing.
Thank you.